watching Traveling Lord, where stories come alive and every journey is an adventure. Today, we take you deep into the streets of the Kathmandu Valley to witness one of Nepal's most unique and meaningful celebrations, a festival where laughter meets loss and traditions turn grief into joy. Welcome to Gajatra. In the heart of Nepal, once a year, the ancient streets of Kathmandu, Bhaktapur, and Patan come alive in a burst of color, music, and laughter. It's the day of Gajatra, also known as the Cow Festival, and for centuries, it has been a bridge between the living and the departed. The origins of Gajatra trace back to the reign of King Pratap Mal in the 17th century. History tells us that after the untimely death of his young son, the queen fell into deep sorrow. The king, desperate to heal her grief, announced a unique festival. Families who had lost loved ones in the past year would lead a cow, or a child dressed as one, through the city. In Hindu belief, cows are sacred and are said to guide souls safely to the afterlife. But the king added something unusual. He encouraged people to dress in funny costumes, perform satirical plays, and even mock the royal family. The goal was simple: to make the grieving queen smile. And she did. That moment marked the birth of a tradition that has continued for more than 3 centuries. Today, Gajatra is much more than a ritual. It's a day of unity, healing, and fearless expression. In Kathmandu, families still lead decorated cows through narrow alleys. Children, their faces painted, walk alongside dressed as little cows, gods, or clowns. The streets echo with madal drums, the smell of incense mixes with street food, and from every corner, laughter rises above the crowd. But Gajatra is also a platform for truth. It is the one day of the year when people openly mock politicians, social customs, and even taboo topics, without fear. Street performers stage comedic plays, stand-up acts, and mimicry. In Bhaktapur, the celebrations take on an even grander scale, with colorful masks, traditional Newari dances, and processions that can last all day. Performers walk on stilts, young boys carry wooden effigies, and the community joins in with music and song. It's chaotic, joyful, and deeply symbolic. For the families in mourning, Gajatra is a day of remembrance. Leading a cow or a cow-like figure through the streets is more than tradition, it's a prayer for the soul of their loved one, a hope that they will find peace in the next world. The laughter and humor are not to mock death, but to remind everyone that life continues and joy can coexist with loss. And for travelers, Gajatra is an unforgettable experience. You'll witness the resilience of Nepali culture, where grief is shared, where communities support each other, and where even pain is transformed into something beautiful. It's a reminder that festivals are not just about celebration, they are about connection, memory, and the unbreakable human spirit. As the sun sets over the Kathmandu Valley, the music fades, the laughter quiets, and the streets slowly return to normal. But the message of Gajatra remains: life is short, love deeply, and never forget to smile, even in the face of loss. Thanks for traveling with me today. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring with Traveling Lord. The next adventure awaits.